Hey there, you two friends. It's Chet from Tag Along with Chet. I know it's been about a month or so since I've been putting out a video, so thought I'd put this one out. It's not gonna be anything too exciting, but we're heading out to the airport, and it's about time I start putting on the wing covers. I was out there earlier this morning, and yeah, the wings, they were nice and frosty, so couldn't go flying this morning. And I put my engine cowl cover on. So we're just leaving the house right now. You can see my Piper out in the back there. Hey, Piper. Piper, hey. Hey, there. See, there's Piper in the back. Yeah, she's gonna come out with me, and we're just gonna, she's probably gonna help me. Probably more of a hindrance than anything else. But anyway, it's gonna take me about I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes to get to the airport. All right, we're just whipping down the freeway here, folks. We're just heading to where I've got the airplane parked, and you'll notice once we get there that the aircraft is now parked at a different airport. Yes, I moved my aircraft probably about a month ago, and there was a few factors. We won't get into them, but anyway, I certainly enjoy where I am now. Still wouldn't mind having a hangar, but hangars, you know, anywhere $400 and up per month, and this poor old retired guy can't afford that. It's just a bit too much for me. So we'll just have to do with the outside. Now, where we're going now, this morning I was out there putting my engine cowl cover on. I put that on, and then I noticed, of course, the wings were really icy because there was a lot of there was some fog last night, and of course that all froze on the aircraft. So what I'm going to do now is put the wing covers on because I have to take the aircraft down to get an annual done before the end of this month. So I want to be sure that the wings are in good shape. So anyway, once we get there, we'll show you the airport where I am at now. Now we just turned off the freeway, and we're just heading down this about 5 kilometers down this country road here. Nice thing about it, it's all paved, so we're not worried about it. And also the airport itself, it's got about a 4,500 foot runway, and it's paved as well. And it looks like we got a bunch of cattle crossing here, so there we go. It happens. There they go. Okay. I guess he was just moving them from one field to the other. A little bit of excitement there, guys. Anything can happen out here in the prairies. Anyway, the airport's, like I said, it's about 5 kilometers up here, and it's all paved, and it's almost 5,000 feet, the runway. And I'm parked at a very convenient spot. You'll see that in a minute here as we get there. Okay, we're just approaching it here now, folks. You can see it off to the right here. I may have to open up the gate here. I have an app on my phone that opens up the gate in order to get in. So we'll just see what happens here. Maybe it's open, maybe it's closed. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like it's closed, so I'll have to get my phone out and get the gate open here. Hang on just a sec, we'll see what happens. So, get my data thing on. Okay. Okay, so what I do is I just push an app on here, and okay. So you'll see it says opening. And if you look at the gate, It's opening. There you go. So that's done. I'm gonna put the phone away because I don't need it anymore. Okay, now we'll just bomb on into the airport here. You'll notice there's a few aircrafts parked around here. There's 4 of them. There's even a jet parked here behind me. And got a nice twin over here. One of those Piper Aerostars. Okay, well there you are, there's the airplane. Looks like the ice is pretty well off of it. And we'll put the old wing covers on it. Okay, well, you can see I got them on. I don't know what happened to my other camera. I think it just ran out of juice. And it was a real bugger getting them on in this wind. But anyway, they're on, as you can see. When I was first putting them on, I think I put the wrong one on this side. I forgot the red little indicator out there to show you it went on the left wing. But anyway, it's all on, and now I'm just going to take a look and see what else has to be done. There you go. That's how it goes in. So now I just have to do up the screws there. Well, there you are, folks. That's what it looks like. That silver piece. So you can see the area from here all the way over to here is now covered. So only this area allows the warmer air to get out, so it keeps the engine a little bit warmer during the winter months. And it does get cool here, folks, so that's why we do this. And then we put some across the, you can see how it's screwed on there. And we also put some covering over the oil cooler in the front, just maybe covered about 3/4 of it. And it keeps the oil temperatures, well, sometimes it doesn't even get up to 180, but I like to have it around 180. So anyway, we'll put it all back together again here. Hi, pup. How you doing? Hey? Yeah? There. Yeah, you just want to be loose, don't you? Yeah. We can't have that, though. Not out here. Don't want you to get hurt. Okay? All right. As you can see, the airplane's all put back together again. The cowling's on. The wing covers are all on. I'll tell you, a hangar would be a lot easier, but what can I say? There you go. Now, can you imagine doing this? Just crawling along in the snow underneath the wing, putting all those attach points on when it's, I don't know, well below freezing. Well, usually when it gets like that, I just stay home. I notice the rugs I've got underneath here. These are, I picked these up at Home Depot, and they're actually quite heavy. Look how thick they are. So these are good because, you know, there will be a little bit of sagging into the grass here, especially when it gets warmer. So hopefully these are going to do the thing. And they're so heavy they're not going to blow away. They were 30 bucks or 29 something. I bought one for both the front wheel and the two main gears. So. Okay, folks, we're just on the way home here now, and we're there you go. This is the road, and by that stop sign we're going to make a right, and we'll head back down to the house. Piper's laying in the back out here. She got kind of irritated because I was talking to the owner, and she doesn't like being alone, so anyway, needs a lot of attention, this dog. Okay. Okay, now we're on the freeway, and I'll just show you how far it actually is, or how short the distance actually is between this airport and the other airport. We just go up here probably about another 3 kilometers, and we make a left turn. So out here we'll just take this junction off the freeway. You notice freeways here, there aren't really freeways really, because they have there's no overpasses here. Just at the main towns there's overpasses. So when the weather's bad, you really got to watch this, especially if it's foggy. Okay. So now we're just going to whip down here and go up to the next intersection, which is about 1 kilometer up there. And we've just driven the kilometer, and now we're going to make a right-hand turn here. Down here for about another 5 kilometers. Okay, so we've just driven about 5 kilometers here, and on your right hand side where you see all the hangars, that's where I was. So as you can see, it's not that far away from where I originally was parked. And strangely enough, over the last few months, the wind has been more south-southwesterly. So it always seems to be a crosswind, and normally out here we'll get a good westerly blow. But it's been either northerly or southerly. It's always a crosswind, it seems. And there's the runway. You've seen plenty of takeoffs on that one. Anyway, so that's it, folks. We're another 15 minutes and we'll be home. So thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.